So as part of my ongoing aim to help web designers, freelancers, and small agencies to be able to run their business smoother and potentially make more money, I released a new template last week, and it's the first of 3 templates that are going to be coming out over the coming weeks. And these are all there to deal with maintenance plans. Now, if you don't know what a maintenance plan is, or you haven't actually used one yet, basically it's a way of you setting up recurring revenue from existing or new clients coming on board to manage and maintain their website in various different degrees of complexity. So the first one is the essentials. This basically goes through things like backups, maintenance, updates, licenses, and those kinds of things, but also breaks down what the different responsibilities for you and for your clients. So there's a clear path ahead to avoid any kind of problems. This also outlines things like the cost involved, the payment frequency, holidays, how they get in touch with you, and how available you actually are. And each of the different plans, as they kind of roll out, will offer varying different degrees of complexity and features. So the higher plans cost more money, but ultimately they have greater access to you and your skills. So you can use these as a starting point, you can use them exactly as they are, or you can just use them as inspiration to create your own. Now, these are freely available as part of the WPTuts community, which is absolutely free to join. And the only thing I would ask is if you do join and you get access to these templates, that you become part of the community and get involved in the conversation, ask questions, help and support people as and when they need it, and make this a great resource and a vibrant community for web designers just like you and myself. All applicable links will be in the description down below. And if you want to grab this first of the 3 templates alongside other exclusive content, templates, downloads, and videos, just sign up down below. All applicable links in the description. And my name has been Paul C. This is WPTuts, and I hope to see you in the community really, really soon.